What is up, everybody? So I don't normally do these, but I had a lot of pickups today, and I wanted to show you guys a little unboxing. So these are the Vapor Streets, which I just picked up from Kit a second ago. First time opening up the box, but I did try them on in store real quickly. I'll definitely be doing a review of all these three shoes. But here are the Vapor Streets in person. I really can't wait to have these on. I actually have my Reacts on right now, so we'll see how these feel compared to these other ones. And it already looks like the sole is going to be a lot better than the Vapor React, so hopefully those are good. Next up, I have the Lebron Wheats from All-Star Weekend, which just came in. Oh, yes. Oh, the smell is terrible. These are the Wheats. These look really... These look amazing. I like these a lot, but I'll be doing a review on these in a little bit as well. But the quality on these, right off the bat, seem really darn good. And then I'm going to have to show you guys one more, which is something that just came in the mail that I'm super excited about. So straight out of the box, these are... you guys don't know what it is yet, but you will in a second. Oh, wow. These are, you're not joking with these at all. Look at that. It's orangey, black, safari. These look cool. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like these, but these, I actually can't wait to rock these. So definitely full review on these and all coming up, and I'll see you guys soon.